achu.vanessa.
Hi guys, welcome back to a new vlog. You guys, this vlog is a little bit like unconventional, but like if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. My name is Vanessa and I'm a Cameroonian lifestyle content creator. So guys, today we traveled. Like this vlog, I don't know if it's going to make sense because so many things happen in so little time. I'm currently in Kribi, Cameroon, yay, which is like a mini vacation for me anyways. And I wasn't supposed to travel. I had to pack in under 10 minutes, so I'm not even sure of what I have in my bag. Like too many things just happen really fast. So yeah, but it is what it is. We're here now and I plan on enjoying the 2 days I have here. The journey was long, I'm not going to lie. Like I'm extremely tired. I'm hungry. It's currently about 9 p.m. I haven't eaten anything. To be fair, I had breakfast, but like that was at 8 a.m. in the morning till now. I haven't eaten anything and I'm starving. But I want to show you guys this room before I shower. And then it's criminal to eat at this time. Like I'm beating my stomach, but like I'm really hungry. I don't want to wake up in the middle of the night hungry. And then we're going to leave from here and go and look for food. Yeah. So let me show you guys this whole situation. So here is the room when you walk in literally through the front door. You have the bed and then you have this two chairs. Then we have a TV station and an accent wall. I don't know if this thing is called an accent wall, but I think that's what it is. And then we also have this bench with like towels and bathrobes, and then our luggages and a cupboard with mirrors. Then we have a table which has a mini coffee station. Also we have drinks, very necessary. We have this basket that was gifted to us. I'm on this trip with my dad, so he's actually here for an event. So this basket came from the lady who has the event. Yeah, let's see how the bathroom looks like. Oh my god, you guys, this bathroom is so spacious. This is lovely. So yeah, welcome to the bathroom. Immediately after the door we have the shower area, which is actually like massive. And then after that we have the toilet and windows, more towels, and then yeah, a mirror and the sink area. So yeah guys, you guys, their restaurants is actually closed. To be fair, this is like 10 p.m. so I get it. So I'm just going to sleep and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys. So I woke up to this view and fresh coconut water. Like breakfast is finished. I'm honestly so full. And yeah, right now, I think what we have on the program is rest for about an hour or two and then head out to see Kribi Town and then have lunch outside of the resorts. Like, honestly, I don't know if I've said this before. Like, I'm here with my dad, and my dad is here for like a separate event for like a birthday party. I was just here like as a tag along to enjoy my life, but it looks like I'm included in their program right now. And yeah, like it's actually going well. I'm amazed. Like it's a nice crowd, like super friendly. Like this place is beautiful. I actually love the place, but Cameroon customer service is not what it's supposed to be. And sometimes it's so annoying, especially when you spend so much money for like services and then the services are just below standard. Yeah. There's that. And then the roads leading to this place, honestly, like they could just fix their roads. Like I don't know why such a big resort, such a beautiful resort has this type of route. But yeah, on my way out, I don't know. I'll try to show you guys what I'm talking about. And yeah, guys, I'm sweaty. I have been walking and just taking random content. So I'm about to rest, like shower again, and then change. And let's head to town. And yeah, guys, this is the price range for people who are interested in coming here. Currently, we're in a junior suite. So yeah, I hope this helps. You guys, I lied. There's no rest. There's no resting here. It's a beautiful day. The pool looks sweet. The sun is hitting. It looks like an infinity pool. Let me show you guys. Like, look at this beauty. Yeah, no. But you're too far. Let me tell you something. Is it volleyball? What is that? So are we going around now? You have to go inside there. Hi guys, so we are lunch ready. Everybody is escaping my camera today, but it is well. Hi guys, so our time here has come to an end. Like yesterday I ended up following my dad for his event thing, and honestly, like I was told not to vlog and I couldn't even vlog because they would have ended up suing me. Yeah, there were so many people whose faces I couldn't show and stuff, but yeah, it was a nice party. It was a nice experience. I enjoyed, I mean, just the vibe. The goal coming here was to rest. It was not so much of an adventure trip. So yeah, I rested, I've changed air, and we're ready to head back.